All right. Hey guys, what is up? Uh, I kind of wanted to try making a fucking YouTube video, but I didn't really know what I should make one on. So I decided I would just show off my setup for programming. Because I'm currently a freshman studying computer science in college, obviously, not a not a freshman in high school. If you could not tell. Um, so yeah, today I'm just gonna be because I just set up a whole brand new theme. I'm pretty excited about it. So I figured I have all this. I have this microphone and the webcam and everything. So I figured I'd just make a video. Anyways, so the text editor I am using is Atom. Here, I'll give you the basics first. So I am using Pop OS. I don't know if you hear those guys outside. Pop OS 1810. Do a little like that. On the Razer Blade 15-inch. I switch between Pop OS and Windows. I only use Windows for playing like games and stuff. And some Windows specific applications for classes and whatnot. But right now I am using Pop OS for my actual programming. You can see my GTK theme is Flat Remix, Dark Solid, as well as the Shell theme. Well, the Shell theme is just Flat Remix, not the dark one. They're both sorry. They're both slightly modified, just so they would work well together, and so they would look the way I wanted to. So, for example, originally, when you went over this, it would make this the background of the search bar white, and then with the theme, it's white text. So I made it dark to match the dark theme so that the white text would show up instead of being invisible. Anyways, uh, that's my window theme, and my icon theme is just the default Pop OS theme, which is based on Papyrus, I believe, which is sort of like a material design based icon theme. For my UI theme, I have Atom Material, and then just switched up my syntax theme. I had been using Atom Material syntax, which I had liked a lot. It didn't quite feel right when I just changed to this new window theme for my just GNOME. So I wanted to find a new syntax theme that kind of felt better with the whole new theme I had going on. I mean, I'm not going to say this necessarily matches with anything. It doesn't really. But the new one I'm using is Duotone Dark. It allows you to pick two colors, and then it chooses the syntax highlighting as a gradient of those two colors that you choose. So I chose the blue, which is the accent color for this, and then I went on a complementary color picker website, and picked out that one. This like pinkish red, and I kind of like it. I haven't really done any actual coding with it. I just kind of set it up. So, if anybody watches this, I'll let you know how it goes. If you want to know. Yeah, the reason I use Atom is it's just so much nicer to look at. So, like, I'll show you what everybody else in my class is using. So, for the way my school teaches computer science, we do Java. Oof. Okay, so this got even worse because apparently this got all fucked up by the new theme. I haven't even opened this up yet. Anyways, holy shit. Let's see if we can fix this together right now. because I don't really want to edit this at all. So we're going to be lazy and edit it right here. Where's the preferences? Usually it's under edit, but I'm not seeing that. Hello? Help? Appearance. Editor. Preferences. You guys saw that way before me and you were very angry. General appearance. Theme. Dark OS 10. Apply. There we go. Dark Windows apply. Yikes. Apply and close. All right. So, I mean, it's just really rough to look at no matter what theme you use. I don't like the way the font is, and all of this feels gross and old, and the iconography. I'm sure you can go in and edit it all and make it look nicer, but it's much easier to use Atom, which is gorgeous, and has really good Git support because it's made by GitHub. So all the Git stuff works really well, and it's super easy and fantastic. And I love the amount of extensions that they use. So one really cool one that I just downloaded was it's like color highlighting. It's called Pigments. If you want to check it out, let's see where it is. Control H. Atom. Packages. We'll just find like a duotone dark. There we go. Styles, and then colors. Does this give me any actual? Okay, so this will show you a good little example. So open with other application. Atom select. Now it will highlight the color in the friggin' thing. It even does like opacity. So you can see that little checkered background. That is the opacity or whatever. But it's fucking sick, dude. It's so cool. I love it. You can just see what the color is, which made it really easy when I was searching for what the accent color was, so I could make it the accent color on the syntax theme and the overall Atom UI theme. It made it really easy. I could just open up the CSS file of the GTK theme and just fucking scroll right through. Oh, and there's the color. Easy peasy. So cool. So great. So helpful. So yeah, Eclipse is, in summary, Eclipse is gross. Atom is great. What else can I say? I don't know. Yeah, we'll take a look at some of the extensions I got going on. So extensions, key bindings, packages. Here we go. Here's some of the packages I got going on. So I got the Atom clock, which is just this right here. Just a basic little clock. I like to have it there, just because you can't have, you can never have too much time. Atom IDE UI makes it so I can also add in the, where is it? IDE Java. So basically, it makes it sort of like the most of the functionality of Eclipse, and it even it uses the Eclipse API for like debugging and stuff and error highlighting and all that. So it makes it really easy to just use this instead of Eclipse, because I don't like Eclipse. So there's that. So yeah, if you're looking to use Atom instead of Eclipse, you're going to want Atom IDE UI and then IDE Java, and you're all set up. Teletype, I haven't really used this yet, but it's just really cool. Teletype's really cool. So basically you'd click this little thing right here. You log in with GitHub, and then you click that share switch. And what that'll do is give you a token. You give that token to somebody else, they plug it into their teletype, And now you can edit the same frigging code like it's Google Drive, like you both live edit, real-time editing on the same file on your own personal local computer. It's so sick. Anyways, print code. Normally, most people don't use this, would never need to use this, but at my school, in my calculus class, we have a calculus class specifically for computer science students. So they had us in that class write a program to calculate integrals in Java. And our teacher's a freaking math teacher, not a computer science teacher, so he doesn't know what, he's not really good with just programming languages. He doesn't know the details, right? But he can pick out whether or not you're calculating the things right. So, but he wanted us to print out a hard copy in freaking on paper of code. So I had to print out code on paper, but I wanted the same syntax highlighting so it would look good. And so it'd stand out among the rest. And so that does this. And usually I'll pick a different syntax theme. I think it's like Solarized Light or something like that. One of them that looks better. That looks better on paper compared to just like in an actual text editor where it's meant to be. File icons, a must-have. If you have Atom downloaded and you don't have file icons, you're a mad person, and the only excuse is that you didn't know it existed. Now that you do know it exists, you need to download it. It gives a nice, easily interpreted file icon for every single type of file in the entire world, and it is fantastic. So let's see if I can. I'm not gonna bother finding other file types to show you, but that's what it does. I mean, I can click in here and you can see. You should have a screenshot or a picture. No, they don't have a picture of all the fucking. They usually have a fucking thing of all the file icons. Oh, here we go. There we go. Look at all those fucking icons. Every fucking file you would possibly ever need. File icons. Best damn package you can download. All right. Not install packages. All right. And I think that's about it. Oh, yeah. I have Java decompiler. Basically, you can click on instead of. So if you clicked on, let's see where I've got them. Java, open with other application. So you can click on a class file, which is compiled Java, and it will decompile that Java into the actual code. So yeah, but it converts all the variables into, or most of the variables into different variables, but basically the same thing. So, all right, and I think that's about it. All right, is there anything else? I mean, my terminal, I can show you there is a fantastic, I'm using the Argonaut theme for these are all the other ones I downloaded for my terminal color scheme. It's called, there's a fantastic thing I found on GitHub, terminal themes, called Go. And you plug in this command into your terminal. If you have Linux, then you use this one. If you have Mac, then you use this one. And here, I'll show you. and I'll show you all the fucking themes they got. So these are all the different terminal themes, like color schemes for all the text and everything. And you pop that in, it says go, and then it lists all of them. And you go through the website with all the themes, you pick one out, and you say, oh, GUI, I like GUI. And you scroll up and you say, where's GUI? GUI. And then you type in 51, and it says GUI. You got it. And then you'd go to preferences and grab GUI, and you'd, if you wanted to use it, you'd say set as default, but I don't. So I'm going to continue to use Argonaut. But yeah. Yeah, I have little shell scripts for updating because it just makes it easier. This is my wallpaper. I don't like desktop icons, so I have them disabled. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's really anything else to show off. Fucking, what do we got? No, not really. So, yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching. It's been a wonderful time, and I hope you stop by again. It really has been wonderful.